cars coming in. Ford Cortina. Followed by a little MG there. Didn't quite catch either of their numbers, but oh, now what have we got here? 95. 95 is an RX-7 of 1993 box. Absolutely mint condition by the looks of it. Now another nice little MG there. '85 MG midget, Neil Redford P. The G1. Here's another lovely MG. Alright. Robert is Leon Barrett. Number 26. The Sunbeam Motors there. And we've got a couple of motorbikes. Got number 30, which I'm looking for here again. Austin 7 Sports 4 Triumph Stag with an appropriate registration number, number 83. Oh, now here we go. A Triumph Trials bike by the looks of it. Now neither, well, the entry list, but there we are. Now we've got a, I think this is an Isetta JAS 344, the wee bubble car. Now, here we are in Austin of England. Once now, TVR F19 GJR. How old's this one? 1997, and it's a TVR. What model? A Chimera. Nice machine. Oh, listen to that. An MV Agusta motorcycle. A little red one there. Now, EFG 477, I think it was. Triumph Herald Sports, ESG 294. Vitesse, I do apologise. Now a little Ford Fiesta here, E165 EEO. The XR2. Now number 92. It's a Triumph P. That belongs to Tom Middleton from Ellen. Oh, now number 34. what do we have here? 1929 Honda 1650. Lovely machine. Absolutely gorgeous. Just ideal for this lovely weather. Now we've got a Mini Cooper, I think, yes. Very smart. 1.3 litre I. Anniversary edition. Well, I think that would appear to be the car and motorcycle contingent, ladies and gentlemen. So, oh, another pair of specs been found. Ray-Bans. We'll put them to the Secretary's caravan and they can be reunited with your spectacles. So it's a pair of Ray-Bans. Okay. No more for any more as far as the cars are concerned, I think. Absolutely mint condition Cosworth. I can't believe that. 1992 and it's only got 15,000 on the clock. It's mint, as you would say. For their display this afternoon, we're just having to jiggle things about a wee bit just to fit everything in, so please bear with us, be patient.